Hello everyone, good day to all. I welcome all my dear kids to today's online live classes. I am Pushpashri, faculty of Button But Tutorials. I'll be handling mathematics for Navodaya, Sainik as well as RMS School entrance exam. So, well, my dear kids, in the last session, we were discussing about the chapter of simplification. There we had solved some of the problems. And if you people have missed the last session, please go through the description box and watch the previous class videos. And your previous class videos are available on Button But Tutorials app also. You can refer that. So well, let's move on to today's session now. So in today's session also we'll be solving some of the problems. So I may take around 2 classes to complete this chapter so that you people can practice for your test. So well, let's start with today's class. So we'll just start with today's problem, that is problem number 12. Shown here are the shown, later you can copy this, listen to me, okay? Shown here are the expressions are the expressions given to given to Sangeeta given to Sangeeta comma Anandi comma Abhi and Tulasi comma with their answers with their answers. Okay, continue the question. Sangeeta colon 4 into 1 plus 8 divided by 2, which is equal to 8. Next, Anadi colon 6 plus 4 divided by 2 minus 1 is equal to 4. Next, Abhi colon 9 plus 3 into 2 minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Next, Tulasi colon 27 divided by 3 minus 2 into 3, which gives you 21. Continue the question. Who has got the correct answer? Who has got the correct answer? Question mark. So this is your question, okay? Since question looks very long but your solution is very short, okay? So listen to the question, I'll just tell you how to do and then we'll move on to the solution. So shown here are the expression. So whatever they had shown here, so these are some expressions given to Sangeeta. So one expression has been given to Sangeeta separately. Next is Anadi. For Anadi also they have given one numerical expression separately. Third is Abhi. For Abhi also one of the numerical expression is given separately. And the last is Tulasi, and for Tulasi also they have given one of the numerical expressions separately with their answers. So these are the numerical expression and which is there over here. These are the answers for their numerical expression. That means if you solve this particular numerical expression, whether you are going to get this answer or not. Okay, this one you have to solve in the question. See, for Sangeeta it is 4 into 1 plus 8 divided by 2, which is equal to 8. That means when you solve this equation, if you get 8, then Sangeeta's answer is correct. In the same way for Anadi, they have given 6 plus 4 divided by 2 minus 1. And if you solve this equation, if you get 4, then Anadi's answer is correct. In the same way, they had given for Abhi, that is 9 plus 3 into 2 minus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 10. So if you solve this equation, you should get 10. So if you get 10, then Abhi's answer is correct. In the same way for Tulasi, they had given as 27 divided by 3 minus 2 into 3. If you solve this equation, you should get 21. So if you get 21, then Tulasi's answer is correct. So in all these 4 numerical expression, you should find who has got the correct answer. Whether Sangeeta has got the correct answer, or Anadi has got the correct answer, or Abhi has got the correct answer, or Tulasi. This one you have to find from this equation. So now we'll just move on to solution. So in the solution part, we'll just write each and everyone's name and let us solve this equation, and we'll see whether we will get the same answer or not. So how we will solve? Based on the rule of Vibodmus, we will be solving. So first is whom? First is Sangeeta. So let us solve that first. Sangeeta, what's her expression? 4 into 1 plus 8 divided by 2. Okay. So according to which rule we will be solving? According to the rule of Vibodmus. So here division is there, addition is there. So first we will do the division, then we will move on to the multiplication and then the addition. So 4 into 1 plus 8 divided by 2, that is 4. If you solve this, you will get 4. So after division, what is there? Multiplication. So 4 ones are, it is 4 plus 4 as it is. So the last one which is left out is addition, and 8 you got as answer. So now you got for Sangeeta's expression, you had got 8 as answer. Even Sangeeta has got 8 as your answer. Okay. So let us keep this answer aside. So next we'll check with the others. We'll move on to Anadi now. So we'll check with Anadi now. Anadi. So what's her expression? 6 plus 4 divided by 2 minus 1. So we'll solve this first. 6 plus 2 minus 1. So next is addition, right? 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 1, it is 7. But what is the answer that Anadi has got? Anadi has got the answer as 4, whereas 7 is not equal to 4. That means whatever the answer that Anadi has got, it is the wrong answer. So now third one will move on to Abhi. So what is the equation for Abhi? So Abhi's equation is, we'll just see the Abhi's equation now. 9 plus 3 into 2 minus 4 divided by 2. This is the equation of Abhi. So we'll just solve this. First we have to go with the division. 9 plus 3 into 2 minus 2 2s are, it is 4. So since it is 2. So next is multiplication. 9 plus, will go 3 2s are, it is 6 minus 2. We'll go with the addition now. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 minus 2. So 15 minus 2, it is 13. But what is the answer has been got by Abhi? It is 10. So since 13 is not equal to 10, and whatever the answers that Abhi has got, it is also the wrong answer. The last but not the least, we'll move on to the last person, that is Tulasi. So what is the equation of Tulasi there? 27 divided by 3 minus 2 into 3. Correct. So now if you solve this, 3 9s are 27. So 9 minus 2, into 3. Next is multiplication. 2 3s are, it is 6. So 9 minus 6, it is 3. But what is the answer that Tulasi has got? Tulasi has got the answer as 21, whereas 3 is not equal to 21. So we had solved all the 4 peoples. So see, Sangeeta's expression is this, and she has got the answer as 8. Even we have got the answer as 8. So now come to Anadi. Anadi's answer is 4 and your answer is 7, where 7 is correct answer. Anadi has got the wrong answer. So come to Abhi. Abhi's equation is this, and Abhi has got the answer as 10 and we have got the answer of 13. So since even Abhi's answer is also wrong. So come to Tulasi. Tulasi's answer is 21 and we have got the answer as 3, whereas 3 is not equal to 21. Even Tulasi's answer is wrong. So only Sangeeta has done it properly. So who has got the correct answer now? And now Sangeeta has got the correct answer. Therefore, Sangeeta, Sangeeta has got the correct answer. The correct answer, that is, how much she has got? 8. Isn't it? She has got 8, even we have got 8. Okay, so this is your solution. So start copying. So from here to that end you need to copy. Okay, so now you can copy down this. Yes, copy down. Okay, fine. Hope you all copied this. We'll just move on to the second problem. Okay. So we'll just move on to the next problem now. That is problem number 13. See, you can copy it later. Listen to me. Simplify 8059 minus 7263 is equal to question mark into 40. So this is your question. So where you have to simplify the expression and you need to find the value which is there in the place of question mark. Okay. So since this is the question, we have to solve according to which rule? So according to the rule of Webb-Bodmer's, we will be solving this problem. Okay. So we'll just move on to solution now. Solution. So in solution part, we have to again rewrite the question. So this is your question. So according to Webb-Bodmer's rule, first is multiplication. So first we have to solve this. To solve this, we don't have any value. So I'll just take that on my right hand side is equal to 8059 minus 7263. Why I am taking it on right hand side? Because that is the multiplication which we have to solve by finding the value of question mark. So then we have to move on for this, correct? But since there is no number, we will be going directly with the subtraction. Okay, into 40 is equal to, so now if you minus this 8059 minus 7263, so 9 minus 3, it is 7, sorry, 6, 7, 8, 9, correct? So since it will be 7, it will be 9, it will be 15, 5, 6, it will be 9. So 9 minus 2, it is 7. 7 minus 7, it is 0. So your answer now you got is 796. So now question mark is equal to 796 by 40. Got this? See, again I'll tell you. So since we have to do according to Viborg's rule, we'll be doing the multiplication first. Since there is no number, we should find out the number first. So to find out the number, we have to do the subtraction. So you're going to take this to your left hand side, this particular thing, because you need to find the value of question mark, and you're going to take down this subtraction to your right hand side. Okay, so when you take this to your right hand side, you're going to minus those two numbers. 8059 minus 7263, you will get 796 as your answer. You're going to write 796, this one as it is. And you wanted to find the value of question mark. So question mark will stay as it is in your left hand side, and into 40, multiplication of 40, if you take it to your right hand side, it will become division of 40. So now let us divide this 40 and just divide it over here. 40 divided by 796. 40 ones are 40. 9 as it is. 7 minus 4 it is 3, and 6 I will take down. So 4 nines are it is 36. That means 40 nines are 360. 6 minus 0 6. 9 minus 6 it is 3. So since it can be further divisible, and in your option is also 19.9 is there. So point I'll put 1 0 here. So now 49 are 360 with the remainder 0. So therefore value of question mark is 19.9. Got this? So this is your solution. You can copy this along with that. Yes, copy down.